UltraClear Epoxy is literally ultra clear, and none of the chemicals are imported. It's made right here in the USA. Chemicals? Yeah, this is science stuff, but there's no VOCs, so it's safe. And it's low odor, so it don't stink. Oh, you want some color? You don't want crystal clear epoxy? Well, guess what? Bam! They got you. If you haven't caught my drift, what I'm saying is UltraClear Epoxy is the jam, and you need to get you some.
Hi, I am Sarah Stiver, and I am a tape painter. I cover my panels with hundreds of layers of cut and pasted tape, and as the final step to my artistic process, I only trust UltraClear Epoxy resin to do the job. I love UltraClear Epoxy because it is UV protectant, very durable, lasts for a very long time, and the company rocks. Their customer service is awesome. So for artists, I definitely recommend giving UltraClear Epoxy a go.
Take a look at a few of my brand new pieces made with UltraClear Epoxy. UltraClear's epoxy offers unparalleled transparency, turning ordinary wood into breathtaking works of art. It's VOC-free and made in America, ensuring safety and reliability for your projects. UltraClear Epoxy, because your art deserves the best.